Hi Felicia, thank you for requesting this video today. Today I want to talk about Restore X, disaster restoration experts, but before we get into that, I do want to touch base with you to kind of show you the three different ways on how you can be found on Google. So let's start by typing in water damage restoration. Let's just say San Jose. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to see up here is your sponsors. Your Google sponsors will show up here. So this is one way on how you can be found um, up here. Um, in this case, water damage service providers. The second way you could be found is your Google business profile, which is these top three sections up here. Now keep in mind 30% of your business will be acquired if you are in fact in these top three positions. Um, these are the second way to be found. And on how you can get out here up here is with citations. If we master citations and do what the water damage experts are doing, that will be golden. The third way you could be found is the organic section, which is these top three positions here. Yelp holds the top position here, along with second place ATI restoration. Third place is waterdamagerecovery.net. So in order to be up here, we got to do what these guys are doing. And just keep in mind, 70% of your business will be acquired up here if you are ranked organically. So that being said, these are the three top positions on where you can be found. So let's get to it. So let's take a quick look at your website. I notice how you have this drop down here, which is really nice. I do really like on how you have your logo up here. It's a really nice logo. It's very original. And you have an About Us with locations. Okay, let's see. You got emergency services, get a quote, clickable here. Let's see, restoration. You have all your services here. Okay, come down here. Alright, keywords, you got a few there. Now, what Google really looks for, number one thing, content is king. Now, Google really loves about 1,500 to 2,000 words of it, just on your homepage alone. Now, from the looks of it here, I can see you have maybe 400 to 500 words of content here. You do have, I like to point out, a couple keywords here. So you got water damage restoration keyword here. You got mold remediation, keyword here. So that helps. But let's take a quick look at your competitor. But overall, you do have a really nice website. It looks really nice. Could use a lot of improvements. Absolutely. Always room to grow. So let's take a quick look at your competitor. ATI right here is in the second in position. They are getting all the business in that second slot. So let's see kind of what they look like. See if they have any keywords. I do not see any in their content. So, alright, so it looks like, and that's the end. Looks like you got them beat as far as content goes. But let's take a quick look at what we're doing in the backlink section. So, like I said before, content is king. So if you have the most content, we can definitely beat these guys in the content area. So let's take a quick look. What I want to discuss in the second thing is keywords and also backlinks. So not all backlinks are created equal. So here we have a tool that's called Ahrefs, and I plugged it in restorex.biz. Right here is your website. So it will show us the strength and the trust that Google sees as far as your website goes. You have 89 backlinks going to your website, and this is the organic traffic that you are pulling from here. So you're pulling 45 organic traffic from 156 keywords that you're using for your website. Now, I don't know about you, but for me personally, if I invest in, like, say, my website, I really would love it to work for me. So in a nutshell, I mean, I would definitely beef it up a bit as far as the backlinks and everything go, so that way you can get a decent amount of traffic going to your website. Now, let's take a quick look at your competitor, ATI Restoration, and see what they're doing now. They got a little bit below a halfway um, strength with Google and how Google views them. They got a 25 trust rating with them, and look at that traffic. They got 7.2K traffic going to their website. Now this is all organic, so this is what it's going to take for us to beat them as far as traffic goes. Now let's take a quick look at your keywords. So now these are the keywords right here that you guys are using. That basically we have access to all their keywords that they are using. So basically all we have to do is the keywords here, ATI Restoration. You can just click it right here, and it'll pull up everything as far as what they're using as their keywords. So with that, in a nutshell, that's pretty much all I have for you. I hope that this information is useful to you. Let's do a quick recap. Water damage restoration San Jose. You can be found in these 3 areas. And sponsored, Google Guaranteeds. Second way you can be found is your Google Business Profile. 30% of your business will be found. And also right here, down here in your organics, where Yelp, ATI Restoration, Water Damage Recovery, 70% of your business will be found here. Now, if you're not in these top 3 organics or the top 3 of your map pack area, you're definitely leaving money on the table. You definitely want your website to make money for you. You want it to work for you. Since you did invest in it, we can optimize it, make it better. So if you happen to need a guide in any of this, feel free to contact me. My name is Joshua. I'm with Peterson SEO. My phone number is 505-331-7995, or you can reach me at joshua@petersonseoconsulting.com. Now, I hope the rest of your day is good to you. Feel free to reach out anytime. Hope to hear from you soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye now.